So I'm installing some knobs, and I want to show you guys something. I want to show you pliers, electrician's pliers, that I keep in my toolbox with me pretty much all the time. And the reason being is they have threaded screw cutters on them. And most of the better ones, they do have that because they're meant for the electrician's boxes where they have 832 screws on the electrical boxes, 632 screws on the switch boxes that are used to mount switches and receptacles. So what they've done is they just included that, and they made these cutters for them. Why I have them is because it so happens that most of the knobs that are used for cabinetry, they also have 832 thread screws. And when you get into a situation where you don't have the breakaway ones, and they make the breakaway ones, and sometimes they could be difficult to break away too, so this makes it a lot easier. I right now run into a situation where I have a door thickness that's 5/8 of an inch, and it makes this screw about 1/8 of an inch too long. So all you got to do is go onto the threaded side. There's two sides in the hole. There's one that's got a thread on it and one that has no thread on it. So what you have to do is you have to insert the side of the screw that you're going to keep onto the thread so it doesn't fall away when you cut it. So all you got to do is just thread it in, and I have to use a drill for that because mine has been used quite a bit of times, and I'm guessing the thread on this is getting a little worn on the cutters. So yeah, that's about 1/8 of an inch. So right now it's threaded in, and all you got to do is squeeze it. It requires a little bit of force, but it does the job, and you can cut away like 1/8 of an inch off of the screw just like that. So that's pretty amazing. And now you just got to back it out, and that's good to go. So this is the bottom one. So now let's see if it will install. And the thread stays intact, so that's the nice thing. Because if you use a grinder, if you use something like a hacksaw, a lot of times you damage the thread, and and obviously with a hacksaw it takes a lot more time. So there you have it. Easy way to shorten cabinetry. Knob screws, 832, 632, and 1032. Yeah. Thanks for watching.